This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a herbal emperor chicken. If you are a working parent, mental exhaustion, overworked, and insufficient sleep will resonate with you. According to Chinese traditional medicine, when eaten regularly, the herbs in this recipe will give you an energy boost and help you fight fatigue.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is a simple and healthy recipe, and the chicken is 4 off the bone tender because of the 2-hour steaming process. You will need 1 whole chicken and these herbs. I'll list the list of herbs below together with the quantities needed. These herbs are sold in larger quantities than is needed here, so I'll pack several bags of these herbs for faster preparation the next time I make this. Sometimes I also print out this recipe and give these bags away to friends and relatives. Put a layer of heavy duty foil on a large steaming bowl and a layer of baking paper over that. Put half the herbs in the cavity of the chicken and the other half on the outside. Most, if not all recipes will tell you to steam these herbs in some water for 5 minutes before pouring it over the chicken. I've made it both ways and no one could tell the difference in the final product. So save your time and put the herbs directly into the chicken. Now add 500 ml of water. Season the chicken with 2 teaspoons of salt and a few dashes of pepper. Wrap up the chicken. Steam the chicken for 2 hours over medium heat. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning. Simple, healthy, and energy boosting herbal emperor chicken. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.